You starting?
Lunch bags.
Yeah.
And a Sharpie.
Yeah.
All right. Ow, that hurt.
What?
I was doing that and it fucking grabbed me.
There you go. You
Huh?
think you're strong enough to just take this toolbox out here?
How,
Got wheels.
how,
That shit would be so much easier. You can come in here and talk to them. That's it.
damn. I probably could.
Wheels, though, but
Yeah, I probably could.
It so much fucking easier to do wheels outside.
Bro's never touching those again.
I will one day. They dusty.
Oh yeah, it's been a minute.
I just don't want to drop these bitches down the stairs.
Yeah.
That would be a rough day.
Yeah. You go down there.
You want the handle side?
No, I can. You drop it down. Yep, there we go. Nice.
We chill. Yeah, that makes it way easier.
Whole garage out here,
This
bruh.
is some smart thinking.
That is pretty
This
smart.
is way fucking easier. You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And we got a little surface up here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is so good. How much cool things in this thing? I think that bitch is blowing dry.
It could be. Damn. Yes, sir. The intake about to be quiet as hell.
Oh, it's
Yeah. Oh, I forgot that it's like that. Shit, I guess just put it over there. Hell yeah. A
I'll
little,
scratch up that new filter.
little makeshift.
I wonder how open this bitch is. I mean, how much coolant's in this bitch.
Is this,
Cause that shit's just gonna pour onto the ground. I mean, it don't matter.
yeah.
Oh, damn.
Well, I mean, it ain't 'cause the top brackets.
true.
Imagine
Go grab one of the gloves, dude.
so much torque. The fucking radiator thing comes out. 2022 race. SCCA. What? Okay. Damn. There was some.
That was all. That was like half the coolant in your entire car right there.
That was some.
Damn, this is so convenient.
Damn, that thing's so on there.
Mm-hmm. That bitch is crusty. Ew. There we go.
So where's this?
Huh?
Where's this? What you call it at?
The water pump?
Yeah.
Behind this.
Okay.
We're gonna, hey, this shit all gonna be clean. We can clean it because we're gonna take it all off.
That's true.
Well, oh, wait. Chris Fix ass out with the old.
Yeah, and the new.
What you held on by? Is that a fucking zip tie?
Whatever that stuff's down there. I have no idea what that is. There's like a nut there.
It's just a pin, yeah.
Bruce gonna sneeze? Yeah. Dude, my forehead's already getting hot, bruh. Come on. What is that in front of the radiator?
What?
That.
AC condenser.
I forgot you don't have AC, so you ain't gonna have it.
I still got it, but I'm gonna take it out.
Oh.
You motherfucker. You motherfucker.
I don't know how we're gonna get that.
I should have undid that first, but I didn't see that in the video.
Ah, big brain.
This has so many. Man.
Dude, I was laughing when I was driving here.
Yeah.
Because I just have a big ass box in my passenger seat.
It's funnier when you have the fucking exhaust out the back. Hanging out the side.
Bro, I was like, damn.
Man, fuck. It's just a little tin, man.
We gotta put this bitch up on the thing again. Oh yeah?
It's been hot as hell.
Mm-hmm.
Am I tightening it? Yeah.
I think I can literally just put that in that.
Hmm? Damn, that shit.
Thinking I can fit that, the bolt, and that the nut bag.
The nut bag.
Damn, that bitch is crusty. Goddamn.
Dude, my hands are so fucking slippery. Hold on.
Slippery.
Yeah, I got fucking coolant all over my hands.
Oh.
Watch this bitch be like a foot long.
See, like, I like AC. AC is good, but
Fuck AC. I want to see my shiny
yeah.
parts sticking out the front. Out with the old. Oh, you motherfucker!
What?
I gotta disconnect the hose on the bottom.
Where?
The back radiator hose on the bottom. On the corner.
Oh. Damn. You motherfucker!
Damn, dude, I can't reach my fucking arm under here.
Low as hell.
Yeah, you're pretty damn low, dude. Damn!
Oh my god. No cooling ass, motherfucker. That bitch is pissing. That was funny.
That shit was like a fucking grenade went off, dude.
Bro say, damn! Bro, at least it's coolant, bro. Because I'm when I was working, I did this floor machine and I cleaned it out.
Yeah.
And you have to like clean out the dirty and the regular water.
Yeah.
And the dirty water was pressurized, so I opened the top, and that bitch said everywhere. Like, it got on my arms, on my leg, bro.
What, dirty ass piss poop
Dirty,
water?
like shit water. Like it smelled like doo doo, bro.
Oh yeah, hell no. You got that. Alright.
Shit, you might need a hose, bro. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we gonna have to take the fans off. That's a later problem.
Shit ass, dog shit ass, stock ass.
Stock shit ass radiator.
So, the thing says it shipped out yesterday.
What?
The oil pan cover.
The what?
The oil pan cover, like the skip plate.
Oh.
Yeah, I bought that shit too.
Yeah, this bitch is gonna be pissing forever.
Yup. You got like a hose somewhere or no?
Yeah.
Shoot, you might have to like this bitch out.
That's a lot of space.
Yeah.
Damn. Alright.
I wonder if we're gonna take off the sway bar.
Huh?
Did we gonna take off the sway bar?
No. Not from what the video said. If you do, it's only like 3 bolts,
Yeah.
just and it'll drop. That's what he said in the video.
The engine.
This hose just fucking broke.
What the?
What the fuck?
Bro, fucking.
What the fuck?
Bro's so powerful, he yanked it off.
Well, I guess you buying one of them little filters. What the fuck? How does that happen, dude? Damn, bro, get your ass. Shit ass.
Hell yeah.
Oh, bro, we gotta take this off again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Because we have to take the valve cover off.
No
Yeah, so you're about to have a
way.
rough day, buddy.
Not again, bro. Fuck.
Well, let me think of what order to do shit in. Let me get the video. We're getting into the real shit now.
I mean, shit. We already are coming into the real shit.
Yeah.
No coolant. Alright, so what's next?
Taking off these belts.
Okay.
Oh, and disconnecting these lines.
Does it even matter if those belts are just like you take off the belt? Does it matter if they move?
No, those don't have to be in time or nothing.
Okay.
Bro's terrified of time.
But I was just thinking, like, when I was making food last night, I was like, imagine you could pause time, but when you touch things, they can go in time.
Bro got them
The late night thoughts.
those desk thoughts at school and bored. My parents gonna come home and be like, what the
Yeah, I was gonna say your dad's gonna come home and be like, bro, what the fuck is that one?
Bro, get your ass off. These hoses are dry as hell. What?
Oh, what is that? What is that?
I got Venom.
I got however you say that? Symbiote?
This one's just going to your block. I don't know what the fuck. That one's going to like the throttle body, but I don't know what for. Hey, to be honest,
Yeah.
you might just get a thermostat too while we're here. It's only like $12.
Where at?
But the thermostat's in here. We don't have to take this off. You might as well get a new one.
I got it.
Let's go. That just starts pouring rain. Don't buy Harbor Freight sockets, bro.
Should say bro's gonna.
I just rounded the fucking socket.
What?
These are like $2 at Harbor Freight. Don't buy Harbor Freight sockets. Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Alright, so he said loosen these. And the belt should just. That bitch ain't popping off, bro. You might have to buy. Them belts are fine, I guess. How you loosen this motherfucker? That's the tensioner. You gotta take the tensioner off. God damn, there's so much shit under here. There's so much gunk, dude.
You have to pressure wash the whole damn engine, bro.
Yeah. That bitch is gross.
Ain't nobody gonna be looking at that shit.
Just turning your engine right now. Where's the bolt at, bro? This is also how you find out timing if your shit's fucked up. Which you might have to do, but I don't think we do. Because I don't see a timing mark on your... Dang. God damn. Do what I did.
What?
Spray some cleaner.
Hell no, what the fuck?
Why not? You want gunshots, don't you?
My shit don't it. My shit gonna fucking spark and explode again.
Jump in that beast.
Span up on the back.
That's pretty cool that you can see it right there. I didn't know that.
What?
You can see it right there?
Oh, yeah, because that's the new one. Remember, his old one broke.
Oh! Bro, he's got money, goddamn.
I know, he'll be like, bro, I got $20 to eat on. And then he'll be like, I just bought us $800 camera.
Bro, he's got money spawning.
For real.
Bro, be fucking pulling wads of cash out of his ass crack.
Here, can you come hold this? Hold this wrench right here. Like, put pressure on it. Which way? I think push down. Some. Damn.
Tighten it?
I don't think so.
Thank you, broke. Like, broke loose. Maybe. Maybe not.
I'm not tightening it, am I?
There we go.
There we go. He said, slacken that off a bit.
Slacking that off a bit.
That's slackened off a bit, bro.
Great ratchet and socket on the bolt and a spanner on the back.
Dude, all the shit we're doing, we're gonna forget something, dude. We're gonna forget something. And this is gonna be catastrophic failure, dude.
Slacken that off.
Hell no. Better not be. You know what's smart?
Huh?
As we go on with the video and we finish it,
Damn.
we gotta watch the video again or backwards.
Motherfucker! Here, you gotta break that loose, bro. Break that loose, dog.
Slacken the pinch bolt, slacken off the power steering pump until you can remove the belt. You may need to give it a little.
You broke the fucking Bro, don't buy Harbor
No, I
Freight
do that.
sockets. Bro.
I didn't just round that bitch, I broke it. I'm too strong, bro. Come on. Don't fuck with me, dude. How'd I do that? I thought I broke it loose, but nope. I broke that loose.
Damn.
Guess we ain't got no pins anymore, bro. Look, like you just shot that.
Bro, break
bitch,
that shit
bro.
more. That's so funny. Make that shit just melt. That shit's so funny.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Who would have thought that you could break these?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Gotta show the YouTube video, bro.
That's why you don't buy Harbor Freight sockets, at least. Dude, that bitch is not gonna be loose. Maybe you're gonna have to do it with just a wrench. We don't have a 14 socket.
Oh, this was a 14.
Pull on that bitch.
How would I?
Yank that bitch off. That's your angle, bro. Just pull on that bitch.
Shit's not moving.
The whole fucking car moved.
This shit is not moving. Get that making the shirt.
Get that motherfucker. Get that motherfucker.
Ow!
Dude, I'm bracing for impact.
Dude, my fucking hands, bro. Shit, little WD-40.
Put a rag around it. Do we even need to do that bolt? Dude is in the video, but it doesn't look important.
And then with a couple of 12 millimeters.
Did he do it?
Just want to
Yeah,
slacken
but it don't look
the pinch
important.
bolt, slacken off the power steering pump until you can remove the belt.
Oh, fucking sliding.
I don't even think we need to do that shit, dude. Holy shit. Dude, yeah, that thing's not coming out. I don't even think we need to do that, to be
Oh,
honest.
fucking around the wrench, bro.
I don't even think that was important.
I gotta get me some water after that, bro.
Oh, you do have to do that. Fuck. Is it a different size or something? No. It's a 14. Why is it like... Why is it tweaking, dude? It's just definitely a 14. Do I need to break out the impact? Get that bitch.
Oh, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You don't got to get all the way out. There we go. I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yes, sir.
I should have done it in the first place. You said I was pulling. I should have just pulled. Oh yeah. Fuck that socket.
All right, we're gonna need to separate the power steering and the alternator belt. Right there, I guess. Just remember that's that one.
No, I'm just You said that was power steering?
Yeah.
Power steering's to the right.
Okay.
So I kind of.
How the fuck we get that one off? We making it.
What size bolt is this?
You may need to give it a little helping hand.
Oh.
12? Because we'd move the alternator and then loosen that.
What? Turn like that?
Once it's slackened right
If you
off,
push that.
take the belt off.
Exactly.
And then the adjuster.
You're
First
right.
you need to do this bolt here, which is a bit tricky.
You're missing that
Actually
bolt.
behind
That's
the
tough.
alternator,
What bolt?
And sometimes that can seize.
Down there.
The pinch bolt here.
Where?
And then
That's
the
supposed to be a
adjuster.
bolt right there.
What the hell is that?
Slacken the adjuster off
don't
until
know.
the alternator's free moving and you can remove the belt.
That makes sense. Bro, we're learning. That bitch's still hot, bro. You drove it for like 30 seconds.
So when I was going, was that kind of pulling for you?
Not really. I thought you were just daily driving that bitch.
I think I had like 6K.
I couldn't really tell. I was just listening to your Coke can exhaust. I was just listening to the shit can. Oh, I think this one's smaller. Yeah? Alright. We're making progress.
Yeah.
Here, hold this bitch. Just don't let it spin. But hold it. Make sure you don't pull it this way. Pull it, push it. Just hold it that way. Oh, you motherfucker.
fuck on there, bro? What the fuck?
Push it towards me so it don't spin.
Fucking gnats, I'm gonna kill your family, bitch.
What are we gonna do if we do all this shit and it don't start?
I have faith.
Cause we like, dude, we tearing down the whole fucking engine right now. Just
If
getting me
we-
prepared for building mine.
If we fought, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, shit, man, you're helping out, but you're also learning from it.
I know, that's why I wanted to do it so I could learn. Dude, I'm gonna be a fucking Miata.
Bro's gonna tune, bro's gonna fix the engine.
But
we're gonna...
only Miatas. I don't know how to do shit on any other car. Where my other glove at? The fuck? What the fuck?
It's inside the fucking thing, bro.
Damn.
What the hell?
It's not coming off, bro.
W40 maybe?
Hold on, bro. There we go. There we go. We'll go. There we go. I'm the #1 hype man. And pretty much every bolt on a Miata is either 10, 12, or 14.
Boom. That bitch scary looking.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that's all.